slime. I'm playing with my favorite Snoop slimes, guys. It's called Snoop's Snowball Sponge Cake. It's a snow fizz, and it was so super duper cool. Look at how pretty it is. And it smells so delicious. It's like a really sweet coffee, if you're curious. You should buy it now at Snoop Slimes. They're an amazing brand. Cookie. Yes, Mother Chewy. So, I just got a letter and we are going to Portugal in March. I think you should start preparing. Okay, Chewy. Bye. Bye. Also, my name is Chewy. My name is Chewy. Guys, did you hear what Chewy said? We need to start preparing right now. So, I have my suitcase right here. It has some nice stickers. Australia, China, France, and Canada. It has rolling wheels, and it also opens up right here. Super duper cute. And it's big, and there's a lot of storage. So there's two little buttons here, and there's two more stickers here, and we can start filling it up. First thing I'm going to put is some of this slime. It is the Snoop's raw honeycomb slime, and it's super stretchy, like super stretchy. So definitely recommend, and it smells just like honey. I'm going to put that back so we can put it in our suitcase. Just so it fits, I'm going to put it like this, so it fits. Next I'm going to put in here is this notepad. It's a koala, and it's so cute with hearts. So we're going to put that here. So that's pretty good so far. But the next thing is this pen, because we need pens to write down our stuff. I'm going to put that right here. And I always can't forget my travel journal. I haven't really traveled a lot yet in this journal, so it's all empty, but I'm gonna fill it up. Don't worry. Put that here. And I also always need some moisturizing lips. So I have, oh my gosh, there's a lip balm. Gosh, as you can see, nice, right? So I'm gonna put some on. Alright. So I have that on now. Now put this into a case. Next I have a cute scrunchie. Although I don't have any here, it's super duper pretty, and I think it'll be amazing for your suitcase. If you have one, if you need one, or you're gonna go traveling. And then lastly, there's these pink AirPods with these cute rainbows on them. Pop that right in here. Now let's close up our suitcase. Pull these up. Put it in. And we're ready to go. Cookie, are you ready yet? Yes, Chewy. Let's go.